Hi, in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can become an e-commerce millionaire without a website. Yes, you can achieve this without a website. I understand that you know, we have all buried our head in the fact that you need to have a landing page, have a sales page, you have this page, you have that page, a thank you page, all of this. Yes, me, I am a canvasser for that, right? I love to do my e-commerce through sales page through because I don't have the energy for the stress of chatting with people for a very long period of time. However, there are people in this same e-commerce who have made multi-millions of money without any website, without a sales page, without landing page, without a thank you page whatsoever. They are making money every day, not small money, a lot of money. But how are they able to pull this off? I'm going to show you in this video, okay, how you can become an e-commerce millionaire, even if you don't have a website, right? All you need is your phone only, and the internet. Of course, you need an internet, but a good phone, not just any kind of phone, a good phone that has a good camera quality, a good memory space also is very important. Okay, so welcome to my channel. My name is Courage. I'll ask you to please give this video a thumbs up. Just like this video so that more people on YouTube get to see my video. Without wasting time, let's dive in. Now, I have to be honest with you. This is the longer route. This is the longer way to get things done, but it works. Okay, it works. It is very effective, highly effective. It has worked for many people that I know. It has also worked for many people that you know, but you may not know that that's what they are doing. Right? It has worked for them. It will still work for you. In fact, most of the people who have taken my course on e-commerce, this is what they do and they make money. So why can't it be you? Right? Now, I'm not here to sell any course to you. I'm just here to show you what is possible and how you can change your life doing e-commerce even if you don't have a website. So what you have to sell is to sell expensive products. Not so much expensive, but yeah, expensive products in the terms of the way the economy is right now, okay? Especially in Nigeria and Africa. So you have to sell expensive products such as wristwatches, such as shoes, such as sneakers, not the cheap sneakers, so some at least a bit level high-ended sneakers, yeah. Nice pairs of shoes. You have to sell jewelry items like the sterling silver neck piece. You know, those kind of neck piece that are selling sterling silver that you use tester to test and it beeps. Yes, you have to sell it. In fact, you have to buy that tester. That is even the selling point. So that if anybody who is watching your Instagram, your advert, they see you use that tester testing that thing and it's beeping, they believe, yes, now original be that. They will want to buy it from you because you've tested it, right? So yeah, handbags, ladies' handbags, not the cheap ones, but the ones that are a fairly highly priced a little. Because I mean, you want to make millions, yeah? These things, believe it or not, people buy it every day. So these are what you're going to sell. You have to choose one of them. All right. If you decide to sell expensive like wristwatches, you must know that you will continuously be in battle with Instagram, because sometimes they can just ban your account because you are selling branded items. So unless you find a way to make your videos in such a way that the brands are not showing, or you don't even sell branded items at all. You sell items that have high end, high quality, but not branded items, in quotes. Okay, good. That is what you are going to do. You're going to sell them via Instagram. Okay, so once you are doing this thing through Instagram, you move them to your WhatsApp. The reason is because if Instagram ban you tomorrow, you still have their contact. You can always get them back. You can always keep your customers. You have to do these things via Instagram. You can do it through Facebook, but it will be difficult. It will take a longer time. It will take the audiences are not the same set of people. Facebook has a larger number of people, but Instagram has a higher number of people with a good purchase power, or people in a buying mood for those kind of stuff. So once you have decided on what to sell, wristwatch that is not cheap, not 50K, not 60K, probably from 100 and something K and above, 140, 150K and above. When you sell this kind of stuff, your profit is not 10 naira, it's not your profit is not 10K, it's not 20K. Do you understand? Wristwatches of over 300K, over 500K. When you sell those stuff, you need to sell only 10 in 1 month to make over a million naira. So tell me, how long will it take you to become a millionaire? It doesn't take that much longer. Yeah. But you need to find your sweet spot. So when you sell these things via Instagram, there are some rules you have to follow. There are some homework you have to do to achieve great results. You must build and optimize your page. There is no two ways about it. All you need is a smartphone. Finish. All you need is a phone and internet. You don't need a laptop this time, at least for a start for starters. So you must build and optimize your page. You have to build trust. These things takes time and effort. Because if people don't trust you, nobody will just send you 150K, 300K, 500K for a wristwatch. They don't even know who you are. So over time, you have to build capacity. You have to show up. You have to keep posting. Make your page look neat. Make it look rich. Make it look bougie. Make it look optimized properly. So that when somebody visits your page, from your profile to the words there, to the way everything is positioned, to the way it is highlighted, to the feed, to the kind of videos you post, they would know that yes, this is the right business to buy from. And you have to always make an offer, especially when you're advertising to sell. Make an offer. It makes it easier for people to buy from you. And of course, make sure that your IG profile, it features humans. People buy from people. People buy from people. People don't buy from ghosts. People don't buy from ghosts, from clones. They buy from people. So you have to make sure that there is a human feeling to your Instagram profile. If you don't want to show yourself, show people. Like, get those wristwatch, put it in the hands of your friends. Use gloves, white gloves. If it is all this neck piece, sterling silver, let it show people doing it. Let there be human presence. And another thing, put address. Put address. Even if that's not your address, put address, inside market address. People are not going to come there, but it gives them a kind of confidence that, okay, these people get address. If at least bad as it bad, if I don't see what I ordered for, I have where to go. Put address. It gives, these things are psychology. These things are psychology in sales, in marketing. The address that you put there, it douses the tension. It makes them calm down. And then that's all the things people write on their Instagram: no refund policy, no refund, no exchange. Don't put it. If you have it on your profile now, go and yank it off. You are using your hand to chase your destiny helpers. You are chasing your customers away. Who does that? Don't involve yourself in that kind of thing. Don't put all those stuff. Have a clean. I mean, have you seen people who sell, like, have you seen rich people put that kind of thing on their profile? Have you seen people who are serious about business put no refund, no exchange? Be serious. Attract people. Let it have human feeling. Let it have a welcoming feeling in your profile. You have to sell long-lasting products. So, because if you sell nonsense, you'll be out of business in a few months. Then, if you want to run adverts, use videos for your ad. It has to be a short video with a good voiceover, and you are showing the product in action. This is how to sell this kind of high-end product, or not just any kind of picture. Use videos for your adverts with a good voiceover. And the video has to be just 1 minute or less, not long. When people buy from you, add surprise gift for your customers when they order. Add surprise gift. It is going to make them feel special. It's going to make them feel appreciated. It is going to make them recommend you to their friends. Anybody who has 500K or 300K to buy a neck piece or to buy a wristwatch, then be rest assured that they have friends who can also afford it. They will talk to their friends about it. Their friends will see it on their neck, of course. Their friends will see the neck piece, they will see the wristwatch, they will ask them about it, they will recommend you because they are happy with your service. You need to finish this business with a good customer service. Yes, you have to post on your story daily, your IG story, back to back to back, every day, at least 3 to 5 times. Because the more you post, the more you come to the front of the feed of the story. So you are always, whenever your client or your prospect or your followers come on IG, they will see even if they don't view the story, they will see your name there. You are in their mind. Wisdom. Wisdom. You understand me? You understand me? Good. Please make sure you like this video so that more people get to see it. Yeah. As we continue, just like and subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed already. And that thing is that you have to make sure your videos are neat. And if you're using graphics, make sure that your graphics are attractive. You are selling high items, high-end items, not cheap items. Don't use cheap videos. Don't use clean your lens. If you want to shoot video, clean this lens, clean it. Use this lens, not this front one. Okay, clean your lens. If you don't have a phone with a good camera, borrow from your friends. By the time you start making sales, you will be able to afford a good phone with a good camera. Okay, make sure you have clean video, clean voiceover, or overlay music, or use all those music that people use on IG. But if you want to run adverts, make sure that you don't use just music. Use a voiceover. People need to hear you speak about that product. That is how to sell more. Sales psychology. Run ads to your Instagram DM using a well done and clean video. Run ads to your DM. And now, always retarget your customer or your custom audience. Always retarget your custom audience. Okay? Always retarget your custom audience. Always retarget your custom audience. Don't just because you are running advert and then no. Always retarget your custom audience. Always retarget your custom audience. Because many of them are going to see your advert, but they may not buy immediately. But when you retarget them and follow up, they will definitely buy. The top of mind, top of mind. See, out of sight is out of mind. You understand? Out of sight is out of mind. But when you are in their sight, you are top of mind. Follow them about, they will buy. So if you do these things I have listed here, watch this video again. Follow this step. If you do these things, I can assure you, you don't need a website to make millions from e-commerce. People sell wristwatches. Like one of my guy, Martins, sells wristwatches. Like Martins is making millions every month. Not 1 million, not two, not three. People sell neck piece. People sell jewelry. I have some ladies who do e-commerce. They sell jewelries. They make shitload of money every month. People sell shoes. People sell sneakers. Stickers that you can buy from probably some are 100k, 120k, some are 200k and above. They sell. They make millions every month. People even if the sneaker is even 90 something thousand, these people make millions every month. If you go to their IG, you will see clean videos, clean pictures, clean description. Make it easy for people to want to do business with you. Make it easy for people to be attracted to your brand, to want to be associated to you and do business with you. Let there be human presence, because there is a very low trust score in Nigerian online space, especially Instagram. People have been scammed many times. People are skeptical. Do not add to the list. Make it easy for people to trust you. Put human presence, put human feeling. Sell quality and long lasting products. Use videos for your ads. If you do these things and do it well, you're going to make sales. Not just sales, you're going to make money. Lots of it. That is e-commerce. So you don't need, it must not be with sales page or with website. Without these things, you can make sales, you can make money. I just give you an example so you can decide on which business you want to do. Then implement this same strategy. It takes time, it takes effort, it takes dedication, it takes you chatting with them, because you have to chat with customers regularly. Unlike when you're using a sales page, you don't chat, they just read it, they order. In this case, you chat with them regularly. It takes time to build this kind of trust. And once it has been established, you are in for a very, very smooth and sweet ride. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment. If you have any questions, comment in the comment section. I'm always there to attend to you, to chat and interact with you, to answer your questions. Also, share this video with as many people you know will find it helpful. Okay, you can follow me on social media, Instagram, Twitter, everywhere. My name is Courage Ngele. I will see you in my next video. Cheers.